Hi, grade nines. So one of the assignments that you'll have to do for this week is to create your own crossword. And the crossword is going to include facts that answer the question, why is mining important to Canada? So in this video, I'm going to go over the requirements for this assignment and then show you how to do it as well. So first of all, the what. Each of you will be creating your own crossword. It must cover the material listed below and have at least 20 clues. So why? What we're trying to do is just have a way of discovering why mining is important to Canada, answering that question as part of our unit here. So how to do it? Well, first, you should make a list of the questions or the facts that you're going to use, the 20 facts. Remember how a crossword works. You have a word and then you have a clue for the words. And so you're using facts to create those clues for your crossword. So find 20 facts that help answer the main question, why is mining important to Canada? Choose your facts from. So this information is actually found in a website that's also found in this link right here. So if you go there for a second, I just screenshotted this material right here, and that includes a lot of key facts about why that industry is so important to Canada. So using that information, not every single bullet, you can just pick a few things and come up with a clue, a word and then a clue that matches it. And then the other information that I like you to look at and to use is to go again to the website. We'll go back. And if you scroll down a little bit, it's not just the key facts here, but they have a whole bunch of minerals and metals that are mined in Canada specifically. So if we look at copper, for example, now it will focus on specifics about copper. And there's a lot of information here, a lot of information. And so we don't want to become too overloaded. Just choose things that are fairly easy for a grade 9 student. You don't have to focus on really numbers or anything like that, but just give it a read through. And if you can easily come up with a clue, then it's probably a good choice to use for this assignment. So you can click through, you could do one fact from each of these minerals and metals, or you could really stick with one or two. It's totally up to you. You have tons of information and you only have to come up with 20 good clues, at least 20. You could do more if you wanted to as well. The information, so found in that website, you may choose from any of the mined materials. Again, here's the screenshot of what I just showed you. Click on each picture to read the information about each, like I just showed you as well. So once you have a list of clues, so the words and then the clue to go with it, you're going to use this website right here, crosswordlabs.com. So if we click on that, here's where you end up. And it's a pretty easy to use website, but in order to make sure that you can hand your crossword in, you're going to have to make sure you follow the instructions properly. So what they want you to do, first of all, we'll put in a title. So maybe why is mining important? Let's spell it right. Canada. You don't have to use that title. You could use whatever you would like. Just make sure it's relevant to the information. And then the way they want you to write in your clues is enter the word, a space, and then a clue. And you can see an example here. So the word would be dog, and then the clue is man's best friend. What I would highly recommend is that you write your words and your clues in another document so that in case something happens with this website, if it freezes or you accidentally click backwards or something, you don't lose it. It's not going to save your clues automatically. So it's really important that you maybe write them somewhere else and then you can just copy and paste them into here when you're ready to go. Okay, so they give you some examples here, so I'll just use that. And if we're done, we're just going to use the public version because it's free. We're not going to be members or anything. So save and finish, click there. And then it shows you what your automatically generated crossword puzzle looks like. And so what you need to do now is email me the not filled in version, so the blank version, as well as the filled in version. So what you would do is you would go to print, and you'll notice at the top left, they give you options for how you can print it. And actually, we're not going to print it, we're going to save it. So we're going to click on PDF, and then it takes me here, and then I could download it to my computer. So this is the blank version. So once I'm done that, and I'm confident that it's been saved, then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to do the drop down menu and I'm going to ask for the answer key and I'm going to pretend that I'll print that. I'm not actually going to print it. I'm actually going to save it as a PDF and now I can download that. So once you have the blank version and the filled in version, the answer key, then both of those you're going to upload to the assignment that will be posted on Google Classroom. Okay. Here, I will edit this. It says a video showing how to use this website can be found here. It's the video that you're watching right now. So where? Submit your crossword, including the answer key. So I should have 2 PDF documents per student, and you're going to put that into the Google Classroom due Thursday, April 23rd by noon. So hopefully that makes sense, how to do it and how to submit it, and all the best.